Alright guys, today we're going to cook in the Nevada desert. Alright. Say hi, Ryan. Hi. Where are we going?
We're gonna get some gold.
What?
We're gonna get some gold.
We're gonna look for treasures too.
Yeah, that's true. We're gonna go to the gas station. Today we're gonna go cook in the Nevada desert. I have here with me my friend Tito France.
Yes, sir.
What is up, guys? We are now here at the spot, just getting all our stuff, and we're gonna cook soon. Alright guys, we are now here at our secret spot, and as you can see, we are just setting up. So this is where we're gonna cook.
Yes, sir.
I accidentally discovered this spot about 7 years ago when I was going off the trail, and I have intentionally blurred the background so that people with bad intentions would not get to the spot. Okay. Alright guys, today we're gonna grill some lamb chops and mussels and bell peppers,
Golden, Daddy. See, I got golden.
and we are going to cook it here outdoors in the middle of the desert. First off, I'm going to open up my lamb rack that I got from Costco. Alright, now we're going to season it first with pepper, generous amount of pepper, hindi masati garlic salt. We are also going to put garlic salt, also a generous amount.
Come here, I wash your hand. Extension, oh. Actually, hindi na. Para mamaya na yan pag luto.
Alright guys, we're now ready to grill our lamb chops. We're now done with our lamb chops. Now we're gonna grill the mussels. I did not put any seasoning. I'm just gonna grill it. I'm just gonna place it in the grill. Just like that. Alright, we're gonna cover it. And it's gonna be ready in about 3 to 4 minutes. It's really good. Is good.
Hindi, ipunin niyo sa sabaw.
Tapos,
Hindi, ganyan lang.
okay na. Pwede na, no?
Yung mga
Alright guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you get updated with my latest videos. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! If you would like to follow my good friend Tito
Alright,
Friends,
guys, I think we got something.
please check the description box below for his channel link.